Warm welcome you all to channel MIT, that is Math is Tricky.
Limit x tends to 0, sine alpha x plus beta x plus sine alpha x minus beta x plus sine 2 alpha x whole divide cos 2 beta x minus cos 2 alpha x into x, and we can easily see that it is in the form 0 by 0. If we put here x equals 0, it will be 0, first term 0, this is also 0, third term is also 0, and here 1 minus 1 0 into 0. I think it is here in the form 0 by 0. So what we do? I'm just trying to use the formula here, sine theta by theta, limit theta tends to 0 equals 1. This is the formula I'm trying to use. So let's solve. What we can do here to use this formula, I'm trying to use here sine a plus b plus sine a minus b equals, we have direct formula for this, so it is here 2 sine a cos b. You can see here a plus b, a minus b. So direct I'm trying to use formula for this, and then we can use formula for sine 2 alpha sine 2a. Next formula I will be using here, this is 2 sine a cos a. The first one, second one formula I'm going to use, and then third one is sine theta by theta. And for denominator we can use cos c minus cos d, and after simplification we'll be getting the answer. Let's see what is the answer. Okay, this is how I'm going to solve. So now let's proceed and try to get the answer. Okay, so now hope you are enjoying my videos. Let's have this. Okay, for this right here, limit x tends to 0, and then formula for this is here, simply we can write here 2 sine alpha x cos beta x, and then here for this also let's write the formula 2 sine alpha x cos alpha x whole divide. Formula for this is here 2 cos c minus cos d, means both will be sine, and the formula is sine c plus d by 2, so it will be here alpha x plus beta x by 2, and 2 will be cancelled, so first one, and sine, remember d minus c, it will be here alpha x minus beta x. Okay, into x is there. Now after this, let's solve further to get the answer. So what we can do here, I think we can have common here sine 2 sine alpha x, so let's take it out. Sine 2 sine alpha x is common, so remaining is here cos beta x plus cos alpha x, and then whole divide, it is here 2, and as it is we can do anything for this. So just I'm trying to use formula sine theta by theta, so I'm writing here alpha x, and to balance this I'm just putting here x as it is, and then alpha x, so that we can cut this and this. Now for this here we can cut this 2 and 2, so no need to copy this 2. Now let's see here, now we can use formula for this as sine theta by theta equals 1. Now for the second here sine, it is here alpha plus beta times x. So to use formula for this, just put here alpha plus beta in denominator, and to cancel this right here alpha plus beta. Okay, for second answer do the same thing. So sine alpha minus beta x by here alpha minus beta times alpha minus beta. Okay, now so use formula for this. This is here simply 1. This is here cos 0 1 cos 0 1, so 1 plus 1 2, and then this is going to be 1, and then next one what we can write here to balance here x into x, also here x into x, see here, so this is giving 1, and this is also giving 1. So what's the remaining? This x and x cancel, this x and x cancel, so we have the remaining as alpha by alpha plus beta times alpha minus beta, and then your final answer will be, so what's your final answer? Let me write here. Final answer is, so our final answer is therefore answer will be here 2 alpha by alpha s square minus beta s square. That's our answer. Okay. So limit x tends to pi by 4, 10 cube x minus 10x by cos x plus pi by 4. And if we check here, so by putting x equals pi by 4, we will be getting here 10 cube pi by 4 means 10 is here 1 minus 1 by cos 90 means 0, that is here 0 by 0 form. We can see here 0 by 0 form. So let me first explain how I'm going to solve it. So here we can see it is in the form 0 by 0. So in this case I'll be using again the formula sine theta by theta equals 1 as theta tends to 0. First one, and then so it means that I'll be changing all the trigonometric ratio, that means obviously sine and cos in terms of sine. Okay, and also remember that the angle of sine and the denominator must be same. So this is what I'm going to do. Now let me solve it for you and let's find the final answer. So this is how I'm going to proceed. Limit x tends to pi by 4. Let's take here 10 common from numerator, so that we'll be getting here 10 square x minus 1 in numerator. For denominator, let's write like this, cos, we can write here pi by 2. I'm trying to change sine, this cos into sine. Okay, so I'm writing here 90, pi by 2 means 90 plus x and then minus pi by 4. Because here pi by 2, you can see here pi by 2 minus pi by 4, LCM is here 4, and then it will be simply LCM is 4, so 2 pi minus pi, and you'll be getting here pi by 4. This 2 means pi by 4, same thing we'll get here. So just because I'm trying to change cos into sine, so I'm using here pi by 2, that is 90. Okay, so let's solve further to get the final answer. So limit x tends to pi by 4, here 10x, so 10x as it is. Now let's change this 10 by sine and write like this. So 10 square x minus 1 can be written as here sine square x by cos square x minus 1. So if you take LCM, it will be here sine square x minus cos square x by cos square x. So I'll be writing this as direct. So this is here, if you take here minus common, so we can write here minus cos square x minus sine square x by cos square x, and that is nothing but here minus cos 2x by cos square x. I'm just writing this, replacing numerator, that means 10 square x minus 1 by this one. Okay, I've just solved it for you. So writing this as direct here minus cos 2x by cos square x. And now see here, this is the formula. So cos 90 plus theta means it is here minus sine theta is here x minus pi by 4. Okay, so now let's solve it further to get our final answer. So what we'll get here after this, we can do simply here. Now see here, minus and minus cancel, plus, so it will be here 10x, limit x tends to pi by 4, and then it is here 10x by cos square x, and then cos 2x by sine x minus pi by 4. So here it is, for cos I'm writing here, right, sine pi by 2 minus 2x, because sine 90 minus theta is cos theta and denominator is as it is here. So sine x minus pi by 4. Let's simplify this further, so that we'll be getting our answer. So limit x tends to pi by 4, and here 10x by cos square x. Now what we can do here, if we take here LCM from here, so we'll be getting, I think here sine x, so we can write here, so simply, okay, let's simplify in this way. So now what is the angle in numerator? So sine pi by 2 here, so we can write here pi by 2 and here pi by 2 minus 2x by, okay, here 2x since it is pi by 2 simply, and pi by 2 minus 2x, and then let me solve it here. Okay, so to get the answer after this, let me write here so that you understand properly. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to use sine theta by theta as 1. So what sine 10x by cos square x, and then in numerator I'm writing here sine pi by 2 minus 2x by pi by 2 minus 2x. Let's balance this, so it will be here pi by 2 minus 2x, okay, and then the remaining will be here sine x minus pi by 4, then by x minus pi by 4 times here x minus pi by 4. Okay, so this is going to give 1, this is also going to give 1. The now remaining is here, let me write here. So limit, if we put here 10 pi by 4, it is here simply limit x tends to pi by 4. Let me write remaining and solve it for you. So what we are getting here, 10 pi by 4 means 1, and then here cos pi by 4 means 1 by root 2 whole square, and the remaining is here, this is pi minus 4x. So we can write here the remaining is pi minus 4x in numerator, and then by 2, then here in denominator 4x minus pi by 4. Okay, so what we are getting here, so it is actually 1 by 2 here. So let me write this. To get the final answer, this is what we are getting. So okay, almost we have the answer. So let's simplify first. So limit x tends to pi by 4. Okay, so what we have, it is here 2 and 2 cancel, so it will be here simply 2 will go up, this 4 will go up, so it will be here 2 into, let's take here minus common, so minus 2 4x minus pi by, it is simply here 1 by 2, and then here 4x minus pi, so these two cancel, so answer is here simply minus 2 into 2, answer is minus 4. Okay, hope you understood this. And please, question number 3, this is our question. If we see here, if we put x equals pi, so it will be here 1 minus sine 19 is sine 1, and then here cos 19 is 0, this is also 0, so it is here 0 by 0 form. So we can see here is 0 by 0 form. So now how will we solve this? So it is in the form 0 by 0, so it is clearly seen. So for this, see here, the angle is here x by 4, but others contains angle x by 2, half angle. So let's try to change so that this x by 4 will be changed into x by 2. What we can do? So for this, let's proceed like this. So 1 minus sine x by 2, let's multiply up and down by cos x by 4 plus sine x by 4, and then here it is as it is cos x by 2, and so if we multiply denominator by cos x by 4 minus sine x by 4 into cos x by 4 minus sine, then plus x by 4, see what will happen. So it will go here, cos a minus b cos a plus b means here it is cos square x by 4 minus sine square x by 4, it is here cos square x means sine square x means it is here cos 2 into x by 4, that is cos x by 2. Okay, so we can write for these two just simply cos x by 2, let me write here. So now limit x tends to pi, 1 minus sine x by 2 times cos x by 4 plus sine x by 4 as it is, and then it is simply here cos x by 2 into cos x by 2. It is here now cos square x. So let me write here up, and then I'll write here answer for this. So let me write. So now limit x tends to pi. It is here cos square x 1 minus sine x by 2 times cos x by 4 plus sine x by 4. It is here cos square x by 2. Now cos square means 1 minus sine square. We can write here limit x tends to pi 1 minus sine x by 2, and then cos x by 4 plus sine x by 4. Just we are trying to remove 0 by 0 form, so it is here 1 minus sine square x by 2 because cos square is 1 minus sine square. Now a square minus b square formula we can use. Limit x tends to pi 1 minus sine x by 2 times cos x by 4 plus sine x by 4. Now write here denominator as 1 minus sine x by 2 times 1 plus sine x by 2. Just to cancel, now 0 by 0 form is removed. No more we have 0 by 0 form. So we'll be getting answer. Our final answer will be, now just substitute x equals pi. So therefore we can write here cos pi by 4 plus sine pi by 4 whole divided 1 plus sine pi by 2. So here it is pi by 4 means 1, 2 times 1 by root 2 by 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 and 2 cancel, so answer is 1 by root 2. Hope you are enjoying. I've already solved some problems for you. Now we are given here the function fx is given cos x into k by pi minus 2x, which is defined for x not equals to pi by 2, and for x equals pi by 2 we have 3. Also we are given that limit x tends to pi by 2 fx equals f of pi by 2. We need to find the value of k. So let's first find, let's use the given condition. So we can write here limit x tends to pi by 2. F of x means obviously limit means x tends to pi by 2 means here x is not equals to pi by 2. Remember, right? So we can write here fx equals k times cos x by pi minus 2x, and that is pi by 2. It is already given 3. So let's use this. And so what we are getting here, how to calculate this limit. So let's change this cos into sine. Limit x tends to pi by 2, k times cos means sine pi by 2 minus x. Okay, and denominator let's change here minus 2 as common, so that we'll be getting here minus 2 common, then it will be simply, okay, so only 2 common. So we are getting here, if we take here 2 common, so pi by 2 minus x. You can easily see it is already given here 3. So if we are taking here 2 common, so simply you can check here 2 multiply pi and 2x will be there. So now what are we getting after simplification? I think you got the answer. This is simply up to here. It is 1 because sin theta by theta is 1. So k by 2 equals 3. Therefore k equals what? 6. So k equals 6 is here. Here is question number 5 for you. We are given here fx equals x plus 2 for x less or equal to minus 1, and cx square for x is greater than minus 1. Also we are given that limit x tends to minus 1 fx exists. So what is the value of c? Okay, so we know that limit exists. We know that limit exists if left hand limit equals right hand limit, isn't it? Left hand limit equals right hand limit. So this is what we are going to use. So already it is given that limit exists, so we can write here left hand limit equals right hand limit, or we can write here left hand limit means obviously for the first one limit x tends to 1 minus 1, so it will be here x plus 2 equals limit x tends to minus 1 plus will be writing cx square. Okay, so now from this what we are getting here, simply x plus 2 means minus 1 plus 2 equals, here it is c minus 1 square. So we are getting here simply this is 1 equals c, that is we have here, therefore c equals 1. That's your answer. Hope you understood this. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video among your friends, keep on encouraging me. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please do share this video with your friends, in your circle, in your social media, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.